Hello guys and welcome back to Creative Process DIY. In today's video I'm gonna be reviewing this SodPLUGGER by Corona. So if you have bare spots in your lawn and you want a quick solution, I think this is a perfect SodPLUGGER. So this part we're gonna be covering, it's gonna be our vegetable garden soon. And I want to save this grass. This is centipede, as you can see, and make it useful for other parts of our backyard. So let's try to test it. Sorry guys for the noise, this was a helicopter. Oh, and we got an actual plug. You see? This is amazing. And again, you can plant it anywhere. As you can see, I was working yesterday on this area, and this is where we can plant it. So simply push this part down, and we got a plug. Now we have just simply remove the soil from here. Push it down and insert this plug in here. I think that's pretty cool. Yeah? As you can see guys, it worked. I highly recommend to buy this unit. I'm gonna put a link in the description of this video where you can get it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.